Hello, this is Paul Milligan for Innovate TV at InfoComm 2018 in Las Vegas. Many thanks for joining us. I'm joined today by John McMahon from Meyer Sound. Welcome, John.
Yes, hello.
Really interesting concept on the stand this year, which is kind of bringing the factory to the show floor. Can you tell me the sort of ideas behind that?
Well, the idea is that we want to be able to communicate with our customers and people interested in our products what care and passion we put into our products. And we have, over the years, had such great response for people who visit our factory and see how we do things in Berkeley that we just felt it was really important to find a way to bring that to the InfoComm stand so that they can get a little taste of it at least. Yeah.
Because one of the fascinating details is you even make your own adhesives, which is kind of crazy.
Absolutely.
I wouldn't ever think of you guys.
We have a PhD chemist on staff who formulates our adhesives and our coatings and paint and all that.
Do you feel it's that kind of attention to detail that kind of sets maybe Meyer apart from a lot of the
I mean,
pack?
it's been a learning experience. You know, we've been in business for 39 years, and over those years we find that other companies may decide to change their formulation, and that affects the performance of our products. So when it really matters, we have to control that 100%.
Sure. There's even I think we'll be showing it on the video, there's even a leaner speaker that's been cut in half, and
absolutely.
you can see inside,
yes,
which I'm guessing for most audiophiles is pretty exciting,
yes.
But something maybe manufacturers, especially in pro audio where it's very competitive, don't often want to offer up their information. Why do you feel you've done that this time?
Well, you know, if you were to look around this show, you'd see a lot of black boxes.
Yeah.
All right, and my analogy is it's like selling eggs. They all kind of look the same from the outside, but there's a lot of, what matters is on the inside.
Yeah, I guess.
And so we thought, well, we would show what's inside so that people could judge for themselves the kind of quality and care that we put inside our cabinets.
Fantastic. For anyone that's not in Las Vegas this week, what's new on the stand and what's kind of forthcoming from you guys?
Yeah, well, we have these interactive displays, we have the Lena Cutaway, and then we're showing our new UP4 Slim, which has just won a wonderful award. Yep. We are showing our entire intelligent DC line. We're also showing the Ashby series of ceiling loudspeakers, and those are all pretty new. Sure.
And the UP4 Slim, who's that particularly aimed at as a product?
Well, that was originally developed for some corporate installs where they needed to have a very skinny format, and so we did some custom work. And over time, people started to see these, and we had more and more applications for them in corporate applications. Yeah. And so we finally productized it. And now we've seen that, the performance, the size, the form factor is very appealing. So we've taken that, we've optimized the signal processing, and we have a very flat magnitude and phase response. They're really amazing little speakers. We kind of own small and powerful.
Yeah. John, that sounds like a good way to end this. Many thanks for your time.
Great, thank you.